Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to display the refresh rate and optimize it on Poco X7 Pro. Alright, let's get started. First, just enable developer option by going to settings and then tap on about phone and then tap on detailed info and specs. Now on the OS versions, just tap 7 times until you will see the message you are now a developer like this. And once that's done, just go back to settings again and then scroll down and tap on additional settings. Scroll down and go to developer options. And then scroll down again until you found show refresh rate like this one, and then just turn it off and then just turn it on, and you won't see this label in screen recordings, but it does appear on the screens. on the top left corner. This is useful for monitoring your device refresh rate in real time. But what is refresh rate? Refresh rate is the number of the times your screen updates per second, that measured in hertz, and a higher refresh rate like 120 Hz makes animations and scrolling look much smoother, especially in gaming or fast-moving apps. Next, to optimize the refresh rate, for example, to make sure certain apps use the highest settings, just go to Display and Brightness. And then search for refresh rate and then just choose custom and set it on the highest available options. On the Poco 7 Pro, that's 120 Hz, this one. And you can also manually set the refresh rate for individual apps if needed. Just tap on the apps using high refresh rate and then just set your apps. And maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.